It has been useful, especially for the registration.
So, hi Dipti.
Hi.
Thanks for taking the time to share this feedback. So, Dipti is our coordinator at HVS Anarock, and she has been using Backstage, and she's ideally placed to give her honest feedback. So, tell us Dipti, how did you find Zoho Backstage, and has it been useful for you?
We started using Zoho Backstage this year. It has been useful, especially for the registration part and also the on-site support that we are getting. These are the two main things that we use it for. We did have some initial teething troubles, but the team was always there to help us and take us through the entire process.
Among the features that you used, which of them has been the most beneficial to you?
Like the registration part, wherein we could automate the entire registration, that was really useful, and we've been using that exceptionally well. That also helped us on site because it helped us with check-ins. Last year we were using Excel sheets and printouts to see who has come in and who has not. This time it was all automated, so yes, that was good.
Did you find the mobile app useful to check in?
Yes, it was. Anybody in the team could have that app and be able to check in people. It was easy, like anybody could do it.
How has your team found the experience? Like, do they like using Backstage? Because we just noticed that you got your entire team on board to check in and get in tune with the software. So, how was that?
It was the easiest that we've done the registration and the check-in process in the last 3 years.
Now, coming to the on-site support. So, how was our team support, and did you find it making things easier for you?
Definitely. So, Shiva, you have been working along with the team for the past 2 days as if you're part of whole team, and that has been very useful. So, having one more person on board has been great when, especially in such stressful environment like organizing an event. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Dipti. It's been a pleasure working with you, and we are happy that we're able to help you. Looking forward to Hopes 2026.